A major update to a Vancouver Island University program is aiming to better prepare local students for careers in one of BC's fastest growing industries.
We're bringing back our development diploma. It's now the Business Information Technology Systems diploma. It allowed us to talk to industry and find out what they need out of our graduates.
They were explaining, they're really helpful.
That's great.
After a full review, the program now focuses on what employees say they need most, from technical skills to real-world problem solving.
It is incredibly important to listen to industry. It's one of the things information technology, as most know, changes so rapidly, so quickly. We're preparing our graduates for the careers that don't exist yet. We need to make sure that our programs, both of our diplomas, are always up to date. The curriculum represents what our industries need.
Not that one.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
For students in the Harbor City, the program also creates new opportunities close to home.
We want to make sure that we can provide as much as we possibly can to our students here.
People should know that. Otherwise, we had to go to Victoria or Vancouver, but people doesn't know we have this kind of program here.
It is a matter of a really neat system.
A major shift in the program is its focus on emerging technologies like artificial intelligence.
Teaching the students and are involving the students with AI from day one. And every single day, we're growing and building to the point where they're creating their own AIs. Really, it was around understanding the tools of today. The idea that they're looking at what businesses need, because there's everything from automation to AI to cybersecurity, apps and web development and business analysis. This here's the Pocket Professor. It was running its own little local AI.
Students are gaining meaningful experience by working on assignments that reflect real workplace challenges.
Most of the program is hands-on projects and works. It's not the theoretical, it's mostly the practical.
Students can take those and put them on their resume as demonstrated abilities.
So it's really job-oriented programs. The industry needs more people.
We want our graduates to walk out of our program and walk directly into a business and actually be able to do and create a business solution that works. For us, it's just to take away the barriers.
For students and the wider community, the updated diploma represents an investment in local talent. In Nanaimo, I'm Todd Jones for Rogers TV.